Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Yes, this is a real 138 Super Sport. This car has just had a frame-off restoration, and it is absolutely stunning. There was no corners cut on this car. Has a numbers matching 396 engine underneath the hood. I see a lot of these Chevelles, and I can honestly tell you this is the nicest 67 Super Sport Chevelle I've ever seen. I mean, it just is absolutely gorgeous. Factory power steering, factory air conditioning, aluminum intake. I'm going to take undercarriage pictures of it here in just a little bit, but check this out. This will give you a little idea of the quality of this car. The whole bottom side of the car looks like that. All the chrome is brand new. The bumpers are perfect. The stainless trim, the bright work, the mirrors, the door handles, the wheels, the hubcaps, the emblems. This car is just absolutely stunning. I get a lot of great muscle cars in here, but I'll tell you what, they don't get any better than this. 4-speed, factory console, factory clock that works. Just an absolute stunning car. All that, look at all that stainless trim on the dash. That bright work is just polished to perfection. SS steering wheel. Headliner's very nice. Package tray, rear seat, rear panel, seat belts. Got these nice floor mats in it. They catch everything. All the glass in the car is, I'm sure it's all brand new. The paint, the body. Tell you what, you want the best. Here it is, right in front of you. The jams. Tick-tock tack. All the gauges. Dash lights. Blower motor, the air conditioning. The console, look how nice this thing is. This car only has like 30 test miles on it since completion. We have all the paperwork on the engine build. They don't get any better, folks. I'm telling you, I promise you. It's really hard not to just keep this car in my collection, but I wouldn't be a very good collector car dealership. I kept all the extremely good ones in my personal collection. I got to get them out there so people can enjoy them. When you take this thing to a car show, people are going to flock to this car. You'll probably be locally hated when you take this thing to a car show because you're going to win. What a baby doll. Like I say, we'll take it for a spin here quick, and then I'm going to put it up on the hoist and take all the undercarriage pictures for you. A numbers matching 396. Transmission, correct transmission. The numbers matching the correct rear end. What a bad boy. Let's take it out. I haven't even driven this car yet. I bought this car a while ago, and I've been out of town, and the weather hasn't been good enough to get it out and drive it. So as far as I drove, it was in and out of the trailer. Wow. If this doesn't put a smile on your face driving this down the road, I'm not sure what will. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. This car is not going to be a cheap car. This car is going to be priced at $139,900, and I guarantee you that if you bought a car that needed restored for $40,000, $50,000 and tried to make it look like this, you'll be hard pressed, because this thing is just immaculate. Might get some weather yet today. The storms have been kind of bouncing around us here a little bit, but it's supposed to get a little rain. This car drives amazing. I drive the car down the road with one finger. gorgeous car. I'll stop up here and do a little walk around on the outside of the car. This video might be a little bit longer than some of my videos, but this car definitely deserves a little more attention. So 67 Chevelle Super Sport. You can just tell the quality. Look at the paint looking across the hood. E-brake works too. The e-brake light works. Beautiful ride. Exhaust sounds great too, don't it? Got a nice rumble to it. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. I'll talk to everyone soon.